we'll guide you through how to access Gumroad for free. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Gumroad website by typing in gumroad.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a button in the top right corner that says Log In or Sign Up. If you don't already have an account, click Sign Up to create one. Enter your email address and choose a password, then click Create Account. You'll receive a verification email, so go to your inbox and click on the link to verify your account. Once verified, log into Gumroad with your new credentials. Now that you're logged in, you can browse through the free content available on Gumroad. To do this, use the search bar at the top and type in keywords like free or free download. Alternatively, you can browse through the categories on the left side of the homepage. When you find an item that's free, click on it to open its product page. On the product page, if the item is free, you will see a button that says Download or Get instead of a price. Click that button, and you may be prompted to enter your email address again to receive the download link. Follow the instructions, and the content will be added to your library or directly downloaded to your device. You can access your purchased or free content anytime by going to your Gumroad library, which is accessible from your account menu in the top right corner of the page. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.